How to fix phone not detecting earphones. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix phone not detecting earphones. Now, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. To fix your phone not detecting earphones, you will need to try some few stuff. You can clean out your jack and plug and then restart your phone. So press on the volume up and power button together. You'll see the restart option. Tap on restart and restart your phone. A simple reboot can clear out any temporary software bugs. After that, check for your Bluetooth. Make sure that you've turned on your Bluetooth and just head over to its setting, long press on Bluetooth, and from here make sure that you have not been paired to any other devices. So unpair devices to prevent conflicts, and then plug in your wired headphones. After that, you might want to check for any software updates available. So go to your settings, scroll down till you see system. On your system, go to system updates. And from here, if you see an update available, update it, and that can fix the problem. Now, if nothing works, you might want to inspect your plug, check for your earphone's 3.5 mm jack for damage or dirt. Clean the jack. You can clean it off any lint or debris. Gently clean with a soft brush. And plug in your headphones in other device to check if that works. If the problem is in the headphones, you can simply replace it. If the problem is on your phone, you might have to go to a service center and get it checked. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.